Hello everyone, are you trying to log out and switch ChatGPT accounts? Here's how to do it. Open the ChatGPT app and tap on two-line icon on top left corner of your phone. Now tap on settings icon on the bottom. Now scroll all the way down and tap logout, then tap yes. Now, once you're logged out, tap the login and sign in with your account you want to use. Make sure you are using the same sign-in method you originally chose, such as Google, Apple, or email and password. Tap Sign In. If you're switching between multiple accounts, double-check that you're entering the correct email address. And if you cannot find the sign out option or you're having trouble switching accounts, update the ChatGPT app in the latest version or reinstall it, then try signing in again. Thank you for watching. If you found